Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under and another unboxing. And this one has come all the way from Portugal. So, let's not muck around and get into it. Blade away. Okay, let's put that on the ground. Rightio, so it's a vintage razor. It's an Apollo, which I do believe is a German company. Let's just bring this up a bit closer for you. Made in Germany. And it looks like, look, I'm guessing my languages here. I'd say that's French. I'd say that's Italian. German and English. So let's open it up. I've done a little bit of sticky tape surgery on there. That's fair enough. Oh, this razor is smaller than I thought it would be from what I saw online, but that's okay. I'm actually after an Apollo Micron, which is an adjustable. It looks quite interesting. Let's take it out. I could do with a bit of clean. So there's the blades. I'll have a look at them in a sec. See if I can just polish it up a bit. Now it's got it looking a little bit better. It's amazing, you'd think some of the sellers would clean them up, just a real basic clean up before they advertise them. So it feels fairly light. There we go. There's a base plate, feels very light. If anything, I'd say it feels cheap. And the handle. It's just one for my collection. I might do a shave with it. I'd even say it's uneven, the base plate to the head. Just looking at it. Anyway, let's have a look at the blades. So there's the box. See if we can get inside. Ah, there's only one blade left. Let's have a look at it anyway. Let's open it up. There we go. It's a blue coloured blade. And no, I won't be attempting to shave with this blade. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed that unboxing, found it interesting, and we'll catch you next time. Ciao.